Hello YouTube, back with another video, and today we have a friedrich 10,000 BTU that I did in another video, but it's got some extra pieces that I threw on there. Kind of makes it look a little bit better, I think. And it's raining right now, it's blowing ice cold. 10,000 BTU friedrich air conditioner with a whirlpool front grill and a friedrich front grill. Got a ding in it now. Pretty quiet. Runs good. Bearings might start to be going bad, I don't know. Sounds a little noisy there. Well, this is how I got it. I found it on Facebook Marketplace. I got it, I think, for 30 bucks because it was missing the front grill. And it works just fine. Friedrich 10,000 BTU. It's got mechanical front dials. It's a little rusty down there. I might need to take that plug out. That's how I got it. I've just been running it. It needs to be clean. Yes, it does. Well, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching this video. Another one to come soon.